CoolerMaster MasterLiquid ML240L RGB V2. This one's a 240mm AIO, and it really strikes a nice balance between performance, aesthetics, and overall value. You've got a 240mm aluminum radiator here, paired with CoolerMaster's 3rd-gen dual-chamber pump. This design improves flow and pressure, which is key for efficient heat exchange. The fans are dual sickle-flow 120 PWM RGB fans, spinning between 650 and 1800 RPM, and pushing up to 62 CFM of air. What's really nice is the noise level, which can go as low as 15 decibels under light loads, making it pretty quiet for its class. If you like a bit of visual flair, this cooler delivers that perfectly. It has RGB lighting on both the fans and the pump, and it's compatible with major motherboard lighting systems, so you can sync it all up for a cohesive look. Besides, it also boasts excellent compatibility, supporting AMD AM5, AM4, and Intel LGA 1700, 1200, and 115X sockets, among others. That kind of cross-platform flexibility is always a plus. Many users also say that temperatures stay under 70 degrees Celsius during heavy gaming or rendering, especially with Ryzen 5 or 7 and Core i5 or i7 chips. In terms of what's in the box, you'll find universal mounting brackets, a Y-splitter for the fans, and even an RGB controller if your motherboard isn't RGB ready. And the installation is usually straightforward, especially in larger cases. As for the build quality, with reinforced tubing and a good seal to prevent leaks, everything feels quite solid. So everything considered, if you're an enthusiast gamer wanting good cooling and some nice RGB, or even a first-timer to liquid cooling, this ML240L RGB V2 is a strong contender.